Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I will show how to create a Gmail account from your device or any smartphone. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go Gmail or Play Store to create a new Gmail account. Now I will go Gmail. If you thought that you don't have Gmail or Play Store, so you can go any browser by default. So I will go Gmail. Now if you have already login Gmail account, so you can click on photo of the corner right, click, and now click another account and click Google. You will see a lock screen. If you have already locked your screen, so you can finger or use your pin or any pattern. So I will scan. Now if you have already your account, so you can log in your account to give your information here in the box. So I will create another account. So click on create account. Now click on for myself. Now enter your first name and last name on the box. First name, I will enter my name as engineer IMD Shamim Hussain. Last name is optional, you can use or not. Click on next. Now basic information, give your birth date information, click month and day and year, and click on gender. What's your gender? Click on there. If you have female or male, click on male and click next. Now they give you some suggestion of Gmail username, so I will not use the suggestion name. I will create by custom. Click on here. If you like their suggestion, you can click here or here. So I will not use that. So create your own username. So I will use engineer Shamim BD and click next. So the username is already created by another user. I will check another one. I will use IEEE dot Shamim and click again. So they choose your username and I will go next step, password. So you have to use minimum 8 digit of password, and you can use any mixed password of is you like, but you have to use a strong password. They suggest a strong password, so I will use a strong password. How do you choose a strong password? I will show it. Suppose you have any favorite name or any other as you like, so I will use as an example BANGLADEH 243 and any special character of your keyboard. So I will use and. So I used here capital letter, small letter, character and special character. So I copy the password and click next. So this is the step. If you want to use your phone number in further information to reset your Gmail account, this is the most important of things, that if you lose your Gmail account or password, so you can recover easily by giving your phone number. So I will not use currently phone number. I will skip this option. Click on skip. If you want to use your number, so you can enter your number here, and I will show how choose your number, and I will click one number. If you from Bangladesh, so you can choose here already by default. If you when you click your country, and if you want to use another country, so you can change here if you have phone number access. Okay, I will use Bangladesh number. And this is my recovery number, and click next. So drag and drop in the bottom, click on I agree and click wait while loading. So successfully I have created my Gmail account. I will check. Click on so congratulations, we have created our Gmail account by smartphone very easily. So if you have any question or any feedback, let's comment and like, comment, share. Thank you for watching.